Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of Custard Jelly Fruit Sharbat. This is so refreshing and can be served as dessert. Let's see how to prepare the sharbat. Firstly, I'm going to soak in some sabja or basil seeds. Take 1.5 tablespoons of sabja seeds in a bowl. Add in water and soak it for 30 minutes. Keep it aside and let's move on to the next step. Next, I'm going to prepare 2 flavored jellies. Mango as well as raspberry jellies. Follow the instructions to prepare jelly as mentioned in the package. You can prepare even one flavored jelly, so it's up to you. I'm going to set these jellies in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Next, I'm going to prepare the custard. Take 3 tablespoons of vanilla flavored custard powder in a bowl. Add in enough water and mix well. This is the custard powder slurry. In a pan, heat in 1 liter of milk. I'm going to prepare quite loose consistency custard. Add in 300 grams of condensed milk. Give it a mix and add in 5 tablespoons of sugar. You can adjust the quantity of sweetness as per your wish. Now add in the custard powder slurry. Stir in continuously so that no lumps form. Sweetness will be little more because we'll be adding ice cubes in the end. The custard mix has thickened slightly and this should be the consistency. This is sharbat, so we do not want to thicken the custard much. Switch off the flame and chill the custard milk for 2 hours in the refrigerator. This is the chilled custard milk. We need some fruits for the sharbat. Here I have taken 2 banana, 1 mango, half apple, few pomegranate and 5 dates. Chop it finely and can be added before serving. Now strain the chilled sharbat. You have to strain the custard milk after chilling it. Add in the mixed fruits. You can add any fruits as per your wish, there is no specific quantity. Add in 2 tablespoons of chopped badam. Add in the bloomed sabja seeds. You can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of soaked sabja seeds. Mix it so that everything combines well. The jellies are set perfectly. Slice the jellies into small pieces. While serving, add in more ice cubes. I have already added more sugar considering these ice cubes, because once the ice cubes melt, the sweetness will be reducing. Finally, add in half the quantity of each flavored jellies. So you have to add the ice cubes and the jellies at the time of serving. Until then, you can keep the sharbat in the refrigerator. This can be served as a dessert during parties. Mix it gently so that everything combines well. Delicious custard jelly fruit sharbat is ready to be served now. Do try this refreshing delicious drink and share me the feedback. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes like this. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.